Annyeong Yorobun, come with me as I unbox my BTS Proof Album Standard Edition. So eto na nga, story time. Last June 14, 2024, nagulat na ako na nalalo ako sa pag-giveaway ni Moonhub PH. So shout out sa Moonhub PH. Sobrang thank you talaga kasi first album ko to tapos BTS album pa. So by the way guys, kung gusto niyo bumili ng albums, merch, or other K-pop essential, go na kayo sa Moonhub PH. You can check their TikTok and Twitter account below. Thank you so much, Moonhub PH. So back to the video. Ayan, ina-open ko na siya. So habang ina-open ko, as an OA girl, hindi mawawala sa akin na umiyak and sumigaw. So ayan, una kong ina-open tong poster. And OT7 poster. And I love it so much. So next, eto namang album. Ayan. Ayan, ina-open ko na naman siya. So hulaan nyo, syempre umiyak pa din ako dyan. Unbio. Sobrang ganda ko, Chari. Sobrang ganda nitong album na to, swear. So yan, pag-open ko, may envelope. And then, yan, yung una ko nakita is yung postcard ni Jimin na nakatalikod and nakatago dyan sa cortina. And then, next is yung mga photo cards ng mga members. So yan, first is si Taeyong. Next, si Jungkook. And then, QR card, pero hindi remember. And then, next is si Jimin. Jimin. And then, si Hoseok. J-Hope. And then, yeah, syempre, virus ko si D. And then, si Jin. Welcome back, Jin. And then, si Namjoon. Ang gwapo ni Namjoon. Tapos, last na random photo card is si Jin. So, by the way, Proof Album Standard Edition has 3 photo books and this one is the epilogue photo book. I think this includes yung mga picture nila while making this album. Yan. Mga behind the scenes pictures. Yung mga nagagwapo. And favorite Namjoon. And next is the photo book. Ito naman yung mga pictures nila with the concept of this album. Yeah, nagagwapo, shucks. Next is my favorite, the Art of Proof photo book. And nung nakita ko to, it made me emotional because here pinakita nila different eras nila from school to battery. Kasama din dito yung mga road tours nila and also the speeches nila from 2018, 2020, and then 2021 UN General Assembly. And next is the highlight of this album, the 3 CDs, which includes yung BTS singles through the years and also the 5 new songs yet to come, Run BTS for Youth, Quotation Mark, Young Love, and the last booklet, which is the lyric book. So again, thank you so much for this giveaway, Moonhub PH. Again guys, please follow them on their social media accounts. Annyeong!